This is the Plantvital plant-based complete protein plus greens dietary supplement. It is an organic vegan protein powder with 18 superfoods in it, veggies, probiotics. It's an organic plant-based protein powder, gluten-free. And this is the 16-ounce package of it. When you get this, it's sealed on top, obviously, and it is in a resealable bag. And they give you a little scoop in here. So a serving size of this is actually 2 scoops. And I like to use a quarter serving in my protein shake. I just want to get some superfoods in there. Taste this standalone. It doesn't taste all that great. When I mix it in with my protein shake concoction here in the mornings, it's hardly noticeable at all. One serving of this is 2 scoops, 120 calories, 2 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, 1 gram being dietary fiber, 24 grams of protein in these 2 scoops, which is a lot. For me, I'm trying to hit a certain protein level on my shake, so that's why I'm using a quarter. One of the reasons. Plus, I'm getting all this other good stuff in here, like they have, brown rice protein, pumpkin seed protein, chia seed protein. I actually put chia seeds in here separately too. Organic fruit, vegetables, more apple, kale, broccoli, good stuff. Feel like I'm putting something good and healthy in my morning protein shake, and I love it.